Mr. President, you have returned to Camp David.
That's General Sagan. He's got issues. That's Marcia. She eats her feelings. We're gonna have so much fun. I promise I will never, ever leave you. Oh, wait, TV! I'm tired now.
Previously on Mundo del Amor.
What is this?
One-eyed orphan Alejandro is thrown out of the orphanage for being different.
They threw him out too. I know exactly how that feels.
Rejected by all, Alejandro lives alone in the streets of Tijuana until one day he becomes a man.
Oh, man. Whoa!
Are you having a hunger emergency?
I am.
Do you need to eat right now?
I do.
Well, we can save the day with pizza.
Yes, that looks way better than corn.
Call 1-800-PIZZA. Get pizza delivered right now.
Whoa.
Alejandro starts his new company, El Solo Lobo, and makes $1 million pesos. He buys a jet, he buys a tiger, and becomes Tijuana's greatest lover. No, yo soy El Solo Lobo.
El Solo Lobo. I always thought being part of a flock was what I wanted, but maybe I was wrong. Yeah. A warm bed, TV, and all the pizza I could eat. I finally had it all. Everything was perfect.